My name's John Osai, and I just closed my first TTP deal that I did, and I made approximately $42,000, just over $42,000. And in the past, I've done fix and flips and struggled to find properties to fix up and sell. But Brent's TTP program has made it a world of difference in what I'm doing. I'm used to going out and making or knocking on doors, but Brent encouraged me just to make telephone calls and to use a script, so I did. And I just jumped in and started. I was struggling, but I was still using the script, and I was able to find my first seller, and then to be able to close on March 15th, and now tonight I'm going to sign up my second seller, and the system is just working, and I'm excited about it, and I'm thankful to Brent for keeping in touch with me and keeping track of me to make sure that I'm doing and following the program, because if you stick to the script and follow the program, use PropStream, Batch Skip Trace, and Mojo Dialer. I didn't use Mojo Dialer in my first deal, but I did use it for my second deal, and it's working now. So, I'm thankful to Brent, and thankful to that he was able to that I was able to get the TTP system, his system, and be able to put it to work.